Okay, so final checklist.
Yes.
All right, tests are all passing.
Mm-hmm.
And the error cases,
Done.
the new onboarding flow,
Beautiful.
and those material design guidelines,
Completed.
and then perf.
Well, performance looks great on
Okay.
my new phone, but this older phone performance is a little.
Don't say that word again.
What performance?
Behold, it is I, Colt, master of frame rate. Wait a minute, I've been here before.
And now you're back.
Colt? What's he doing here?
If you say performance 3 times, he'll just magically appear.
Ian, Joanna, what are we doing here at Udacity? I thought we already had a course on performance.
So we do, and that's why we actually don't need you. It was an accident. The words just kind of fell out of his mouth, and we definitely don't need you to go through any apps. We don't have any.
Wait,
No,
time
we're
a minute.
good.
Do you have a bad performing application that you need help with? I knew there was something wrong here.
Well, Cole, I know, but you know some performance stuff, but maybe you can help.
No. Sorry. No, thank you. We don't need your help. The thing is, we actually know what we're doing, and we don't need him to kind of jump in and help us because we can go through this ourselves.
Joanna, nonsense. I'm here to help. Why don't we go ahead and take a look at things? Open up your application on your phone, and why don't you start by telling me what you've been seeing in some of the profiling tools that you've been running your app in?
Well, we actually haven't run any tools yet. Like performance has been great on my normal phone.
Are you joking? Is he joking? Seriously? Are you people punking me? Like, are you recording this for like a gag reel or something? What's going on here?
Can you just give me a minute? We haven't run any tools yet because we haven't started working on perf yet.
Oh, madam, you insult me. Performance isn't something you just idly cast about and handle at the end of your application. When you submit your app to the Play Store, users give negative feedback on it 3 times more active than any other thing in your application that they actually hate. That alone means that performance isn't something you cast off to the end. You bring it up to the front. You should be doing it the whole life.
Take a breath. Are you breathing? Don't want you to fall. That would be a terrible shame. So what we're actually trying to get at here is that we have all of these different perf tools that are available to help us see a bunch of different problems and kind of walk us through where maybe there's some issues.
Right, there's like Traceview.
Exactly, just like Trace.
Yeah, and we actually have a whole federation of applications that you can also run on your application.
Thank you for jumping in. Your knowledge is valuable. I was talking. What we're trying to say here is there's more than just Traceview. It doesn't end there. We actually have a different tool for a bunch of different situations. So like maybe you want to look at, your rendering perf, right?
Overdraw tool.
Or maybe you want to see how your memory is being used.
Memory allocator.
The point is that you have a different tool for different situations, and you can actually use several tools together to narrow down where the real problems are happening, so you can focus your efforts on fixing the real problem as opposed to maybe hiding.
Which, by the way, we talk about in great deal in our Android performance course here at Udacity that you can click on in the instructor notes.
I know. You made a course. We all know. We got the tweet.
Yeah, I saw the tweet. So, Cole, we really should be testing performance before we ship.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Some of the best engineers I've ever worked with in my career have all been performance-minded. In fact, some of the greatest companies we have out there will actually create unit tests entirely focused on performance so that they can actually find any performance regressions that occur to the line of code that's checked into their source tree. There's some really exciting stuff going on right now out there.
It's so exciting, just like your mad scientist lunch that you have every month.
Hey, that's a little below the belt. What is your problem? I am here to help. You guys summoned me here to solve your problem that you have in performance in your application, and all you've done is give me grief about this. What's going on?
Because I didn't summon you. You jumped in because you heard the word performance and you care a lot, which is great, except that maybe some other people want to do their own perf work and don't want you doing it for them. Because believe it or not, I know about Android performance. I'm good at Android performance, and I'm good enough to teach other people about it.
Okay, so you think you know what you're doing, huh?
I do.
Prove it.
I will.
I'm being summoned. This isn't over.
Okay, so now that he's gone, I'll actually walk you through the tools and you can see what we're talking about without him interrupting again.